Hello and welcome to episode 3 of the Chaotic to Calm Home series. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining. To all of my originals, my loyals, my old clean crew, welcome back and thank you for clicking on today's video. Let me introduce myself. I'm a wife, mom to 7. On my channel, I do everything from cleaning, organization, DIY, shopping, decorating, loving on my children and my husband, motivating and showing love to my clean crew. If this is something you like and would enjoy, if you need some extra motivation or just a little bit of entertainment, go on and press that subscribe button. Smash that like button and comment down below your name. If you're cleaning with me, if you're just chilling and watching, let us know. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to all so you never miss an upload. And to my clean crewmates, thank you, love you, and you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. Now, I'm getting ready to do a whole bunch of food prepping in a few minutes. This took place over the Labor Day weekend, so I did all of the cleaning in pretty much 3 days. I started on Saturday and I finished Monday evening. And you're going to see all of the prepping that I did to get the kids ready for school, their lunches and all that good stuff. I did a little bit of laundry motivation. As most of y'all know, I don't film in my bathrooms because I just don't have pretty bathrooms. If I had pretty bathrooms, I'd film in my bathroom, but I don't, so I'm not going to. It's a rare occasion if I film in my bathroom, and it was a rare occasion, so I show y'all. I do clean my bathrooms. For those who are new to my channel, I do clean my bathrooms. I just don't show them on film. And the little bit of filming I did do in there is just basically the sink and the stuff that I do around the sink. I didn't show the toilet or the tub. It's a mess, and we're just not going to go there with that one. Now, this little chopper machine I got from Aldi's, I thought it was going to make my life easy. It didn't work, so I just didn't bother with it anymore. Now, here in a few, you're going to see me put cheese in a bottle and try to make it work. It was an epic fail. It just did not come out right at all.
Yeah. I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss.
Now, this is not a sponsored video, it's not a promotion, but I'm just saying, hey, Cricut, I'm here. I did use my Cricut machine to create my labels for my squirt bottles. I pretty much put any of the condiments that I could possibly put into it, and trust me, it makes life so much easier with them all in the squirt bottles and not taking up space in the cupboards. It's actually amazing the amount of space that I actually have in my cupboards now, since I put most of my condiments and seasonings and things into jars and containers. I'm telling you, this cleaning journey that I'm on and this YouTube journey has really showed me some things and opened up my eyes to other things that are out there that I didn't know anything about, and I so appreciate it. And if you're still here and you're still watching, go on and drop down in the comment section your favorite condiment.
Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Yeah. Get like this. Yeah. Get like it. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah,
devotion, anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you, doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout, cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology, just say it to my face. You're sorry. You're so sorry.
Alrighty, so today is officially Labor Day in the video, and I made shrimp and grits for lunch. I made a huge dinner, but I didn't feel like barbecuing. I just wasn't in the mood. But I was in the mood for stuffing and macaroni and cheese and all that good stuff, so I did make that. I'm going through and showing you exactly how I make shrimp and grits. Pretty much the way you make grits is you make grits, but I had chicken stock. It calls for chicken broth, bacon, grits, and all that good stuff. But that's what I did. And of course you're gonna get the washing dishes motivation, because I don't have a dishwasher, so I have to wash all my dishes by hand. But I wash dishes as I go, that way I have less mess. Does anyone else do that? Let a sister know down in the comments.
You're so sorry. You're so sorry. Say it to my face, you're sorry.
Just a side note, I repeat, I do not eat seafood. So I don't partake in this in any way, shape, or form. But I can cook it. So they said it was delicious. I'm glad they liked it, and that's all that matters.
My job for you, even quit some friends for you, cause you couldn't stand it.
So this was after dinner. I'm cleaning up, but right here Ethan, Nina's boyfriend, stopped by and got another plate so that he could get some more, because you know college students get really crappy food while they're in college. Please excuse the noise if you hear anything in the background. I am in front of my window trying to do this voiceover, but this is the cleanup afterwards, and this is pretty much the end of the video. There's only a few minutes left. So if you are new and you've been enjoying this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Become a part of the Clean Crew. Trust me, you're going to have lots and lots of fun and get loads of motivation. And to all my originals, my day ones, my loyals from the very beginning, when all I had was a cell phone and no camera, thank you so much for sticking and staying. Your girl really appreciate it, and we need to keep this thing moving, keep this thing going. Love y'all to the moon and back, and then again, and all that good stuff.
Me all independent, so you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you, when I could add up 2 and 2, when you promised we'd be together, you, me, forever. Now there's nothing left to lose. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah, I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology, just say it to my face. infatuated, and I blame it on you, I blame it on you, yeah. This time I hope you get it. In love you shouldn't fake it, no. I'm old enough to take it, so just say it to me, say it to me. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me.
Real quick, another side note, my husband is a licensed and registered gun owner. So do not be alarmed. And the neighborhood that we live in is not the greatest neighborhood, so that is there for our protection.
Then say it to my face, what it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you owe me an apology. Just say it to my face, you're sorry. You're sorry.